Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 1991 Ford F-250. This is the basic canvas style seat covers, and black canvas is what we went with inside here. It's an awesome looking set, full protection inside here, guaranteed snug fit, good durable covers for you. So let's check these covers out. All right, so let's do a couple close-ups inside this 91 F-250. This is the middle section. This is the insert section right here. And the trim panels are these ones on the outside right there. So we decided on this one that since it was a red interior inside here, that black was gonna be the best option to go with. So we did black for the insert and trim. So blacked out on here. This is the black, again, black canvas. Now you will see that this particular canvas kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it a little bit, and we got a bright day, but this is solid black inside here for the whole thing. It wraps around the sides, around the back side of the seat as well. We'll show you that in a minute. But here's this armrest. You can see, again, custom fit for the armrest. So the armrest is still fully functional. You can still lift that up, you put that back down. We have a full install video showing you how to install this if you have this particular vehicle. And if you have a different vehicle, then it would be custom fit to your seats. Now we'll show you the bottom section. So here's the bottom section. Again, this is the bucket bottom, the driver bucket bottom. Right here, you can see, again, black canvas down here, and it just fits around nice and tight. A snug fit there, conforms around to the seat. And you can see on the outside section over here, how it trims out right next to that plastic right there. And that, again, being custom fit is going to allow the seat to move forward and back and adjust just how it should, as if it didn't have seat covers on here. Another quick note is that these seat covers are airbag compatible. In this particular year, it's not even a consideration because the seat wasn't equipped with side airbags. But if your seat does have side airbags, it would be compatible for that. So we're on the passenger side right here, and I'm just showing you this, how it all kind of conforms around the seat. Again, everything is going to fold and function just how it should. Sliding this seat forward, now you can see the rear map pockets back here. So you can see it's a nice large pocket, great for binoculars, jackets, other gear. In the back side right here. And then you can see on the back side here, this is how it attaches on. Again, we have a full install video showing you how to install this. But here's this back Velcro, this hook Velcro sticks onto this felt. So you just pull that back, stick it on right there. That's how that backrest goes on. And then here's this bottom down here. There's several straps and buckles underneath here, and then also an elastic cord around the bottom to get it all nice and tight so it's not slipping around right there. Okay, so that's the bottom section right there. So you get that full coverage around the back side. That way, if there's kids or dogs in the back of your seat and they get in back here, you're keeping everything nice and covered and clean on the back side. And this is a super easy material to clean off and wipe down right like that. Okay, so here's just showing you how they're waterproof. Water just kind of beads up on that like that. And then you can just take this and wipe off that water. Keep it looking clean, and the water will kind of trap up down here, down below in the seat, so you'll just want to make sure you wipe that up if you're pouring water on it like that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have more questions or you want to see similar videos or photos like this, go to Covers Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, jump over to coversandcamo.com. We look forward to getting a set going for you today. Thank you.